I hope that Starship is successful, and we are looking at, hundreds of dollars per kilogram, not many thousands of dollars per kilogram. I think when that is actually true, all terrestrial and data infrastructure merges space and terrestrial infrastructure merges. And that's a little bit like, there's some use cases where for Hubble where we can make the business case close even with like Falcon 9 pricing, which is, again, best in market and way better than all of the competitors even today. But it's still like only a certain number of use cases that you can make the business case close with that kind of launch pricing. And, no matter how much I haggle Johnny over his pricing, like launch is still like the biggest component of it today. And I think if you want to get to the point where we are actually seeing the equivalent of PCs thrown into space and jammed in the corner for Google, we still need to see that other order of magnitude shift. And I think the entire ecosystem's betting on, SpaceX being successful with Starship. We don't necessarily like bake that into our models because we need to be able to close the business today and make it work without these, optimistic sort of adjustments to, our operating costs. But the second it does, all of a sudden Hubble's a like even 10x better looking company from a cost structure standpoint.